shit, I didn't record it. Fuck me, man. I'm sorry. That's so stupid of me. I'm sorry. Okay, quick run. Weekly bullish BMS, daily bullish BMS. Wait for a pullback. Don't worry, next one I won't miss the recording. Wait for a pullback, right? And lower time frame QM, and you enter. That's it. So weekly bullish BMS. Do we have the weekly bullish BMS? Let's just check everything off. Like it's just a checklist. Like you're going grocery shopping. Do you have the weekly bullish BMS? Beautiful. Do we have the daily bullish BMS? Again, what is the daily bullish BMS, bro? I am just looking at the most recent level of bearish structure being broken. Not this one, the most recent level of bearish structure being broken. Do I have that? Beautiful. How do I have that? I have the candle's body closing above this wick, right? So I have that daily bullish BMS, weekly bullish BMS, check. Wait for a pullback. Pullback into what? Wait for a pullback into a bullish order block. Do we have that? Check, right? Lower time frame QM. Do we have that? Check. Again, why do you care about this QM, right? Which in fact broke above the structure. You can see a couple candles breaking above the structure when it's not even in your H4 bullish order block. If it's not in your bullish, this is the only use for a zone. The only use for a zone is for you to have interest in it. When the price comes inside that zone, you don't want to see shit up over here, bro. Anything can happen here. You want to see price come inside your zone of interest and then do the QM. Then you're like, okay, I'm trying to buy. Okay. And so you see this QM. Okay. On the M5, you can't see it. No worries. You go down to the M1. This is what I say. I can't tell you, just look at M5. That's it. No. What if you're more comfortable with M15? What if you're more comfortable with M1, right? Stop on happens here because we never have a breaker structure to the upside, right? So stop on happens here. Structure that created the stop on gets violated, pulls back into the last bearish candlestick before the violation of the structure, and you bull up, stop loss below the stop on. Done. That's it. You're risk-free in 20 pips, you're risk-free. Right now, I'm probably going to hit break even. Too bad. It happens, right? So now we're going to move on to gold. Okay, so these are all my reasons. That's it. Okay, so quick rundown. Monthly, weekly structure. Okay, in this case, I just bothered to look at the weekly. Weekly structure, bullish. Daily structure, bullish. Wait for a pullback. That's dependent on your day. So today, there was a bullish order block. Yesterday, there was a bullish order block. Today, price pulled inside it. Wait for a pullback. Lower time frame QM. Today, price did a lower time frame QM. Buy the thing. That's it. You're done. That's all my rules are. And of course, over here, we're seeing equal highs, etc. Right? So go paid, bro. Go paid. Okay, so that's why I want to go to gold. Now, going back to all of the things that I wrote here, which is not here. I didn't save it? I did. Okay. So USD CAD sell from the top. I'm going to go over that last because that was massive. I want to keep you guys interested, okay? Okay, that was massive. I'm talking about 3-figure pips profit, okay? It was really, really good. And you're risking, I guarantee it, when I go back, because I back tested it, I guarantee you're risking like 15 pips for like 3-figure profits, all right? But I want to go over for gold, bro. Gold freaking paid, man. It was crazy, bro. Let's go over gold, okay? So XAU USD, let's run it back, bro. Taking a look at structure, is there any freaking, why is reversal going to happen all of a sudden here? It makes no sense for reversal to just like that happen after you're seeing such strong bulls. Okay, let's get to the point. So I'm seeing a break of bearish structure, right? Price came up, reversed down. Again, recent bearish structure. Price came up, reversed down. Isn't this the most recent bearish structure? Yes, it is. Do I see a violation with the body of the candle close above? Beautiful, I do. Okay, looking for buys all day, every day. Let's take a look at from yesterday to today, okay? So session breaks on, and I'm going down to H4 because that's when session breaks actually shows. So yesterday, right? Yesterday, I saw nothing. Price didn't even pull back inside of this today. Basically, I didn't take a trade or anything like that, right? So today, I saw 2 opportunities for me to buy from. I saw one opportunity over here. Take a look. Isn't this yesterday's bullish QM? Bullish order block? Yes, it is. Why? Price traded rapidly away and broke structure. That's how I identify an order block, okay? I want to see price trade rapidly away from an area and break structure. Question? Bro, gold bust me today. I got like a 3-pip drawdown and then a fat 200-pip TP. Mad, bro. That's crazy. Gold really paid, man. But coming back to this, right? So again, this is what I mean. Don't just use one time frame. So I'm seeing a bullish order block on the H4. What am I doing next? I want to see, can I really refine this? Is there a possibility for me to refine this? Guess what I see on the H1? A beautiful bullish engulfing candlestick. I hope by now you guys are not confused. What the heck is a bullish engulfing candlestick? It's literally just a retail bullish engulfing, except you're not using it like a retail trader. All right. So I see no pullback, but I'm marking it because what if there could be a pullback, right? So when I see this happen today, I'm just going to go over, I'm not going to go over what could have happened. I'm going to get to the point. What did I do today? Okay, let's answer the questions we all have, right? What did I do today? So I saw this. Can you see this bullish engulfing candlestick right here? So what am I marking? Think about it. What am I marking when I see this bullish engulfing candlestick? Aren't I marking the last bearish candle, right? Before the push up? Before the candle that got engulfed, I'm marking that, right? Next, what's my thing? So look, daily bullish structure, right? Second thing, I'm waiting for a pullback. Am I right? It's the same old thing I'm using, bro. Waiting for a pullback, right? Do I have the pullback? Yes, I do. We already established that we have bullish structure. What's the next thing I'm looking for? Of course, I want to refine my zone, right? So remember what I told you guys in like the first lesson, right? So don't want to call it a lesson, the first webinar, right? When I'm in an uptrend and I see a bearish engulfing candlestick like this, I'm not looking to sell it here, bro. I'm looking to draw a zone just like this. Look at this. I'm looking to draw a zone just like this, my friends. Okay? Why just like this? I'm drawing the candle that got engulfed. And because we're in an uptrend, am I looking to sell here? No, we're in an uptrend. Bullish structure. What am I looking for? Looking for a violation. Do I have a violation? Yep. You have multiple candle bodies close above it. Beautiful. What's next, bro? What's next? Pullback, right? Always, when you violate an order block or when an order block is created, what am I looking for? Pullback, bro. So I'm looking for a pullback inside here. Now I see, okay, this is just like retail trader flip zones, right? Old resistance becomes support, old support becomes resistance, type thing like that. So when price pulls inside here, how do I know if it's going to reject here, here, or here, right? So what I did, I went down, I stalked those lower time frames, right? So when I went to the 30-minute, guess what I saw? I saw that I could possibly refine my H1 bearish engulfing zone to be smaller, right? That's number one. What's number two? Guess what I see over here? Peep this. M30 bullish engulfing candlestick. And now what do I mean by a fresh bullish engulfing candlestick? I'm talking about the last candle. Remember the last candle? This was the last bearish candle before a break of structure. Am I right? Hence, I draw my low zone for it, right? Okay. I'm looking to take the trade in here. I'm not looking for something like this, which can still work because it's still a valid order block. Don't get me wrong. It's just that your probability of price rejecting from it vastly decreases, right? You see this, right? Price traded up, traded back down, and it already took. So you should have been the buyer here. You don't want to see price come down here and then buy here. It can work. I'm just saying I would rather not see that. So instead of being a buyer when price comes down here, why don't you take this entry right here? Why don't you be the buyer here? How could you have done that? Well, let's see. You have yourself your M30 bearish engulfing, M30 bullish engulfing. What I like to do is like when you're in maths, right? You're learning these set Venn diagrams and all that shit. You have those two circles that look like a pair of tits and you're looking for what is in the intersection. Am I right? The intersection, right? So just like that, imagine these are the two circles except they're rectangles, right? You have these two rectangles. What am I looking for? I'm looking for price to play really powerfully from the intersection. You guys see this as the intersection? I like calling this the BBC zone, the big black cock, right? So I mark this as the bullish engulfing on the M30. Am I right? And all I'm waiting for is for price to come in here, stop loss below. I'm buying it. That's it. That's it. I'm buying it right here. And again, you have to understand this is gold. So if you're getting your 30 pip SLs, that's on you, bro. It's gold. The 28 pip SL, am I right? Oh my God, 28 pips I could lose from the market. That's why I only go 0.01, 0.02 if I'm feeling kinky about it, right? 0.02, because gold pays so much, bro. But if you lose, you don't want to lose too much, right? So look, 30 pip SL, right? And I'm entering just at the touch I'm entering. Why? I told you, BBC zone, right? Where am I going to place my TP? Simple as that. First of all, you should all know by now that we're coming close to the yearly gold rush. If you are in buys of gold from like below here, keep that shit running, bro. Keep it running. Trust. Keep it running, right? But if you're buying from over here, all I'm looking out for is this, bro. Hey, can you add me back to the offshore group chat? We'll do in a bit, man. Okay. So all I'm looking for is for the recent highs. Am I right by saying that these are the Asian or London highs? Just the high of the day. That's it, right? So if you are feeling fruity, you can go for higher, sure. But I'm telling you guys what I did, right? Price traded inside my BBC zone. Bought right here. Let me create a little thing for you guys. Let me create a little thing so you guys can actually visualize how powerful these entries are. And again, this is nothing to do with QMs, yeah? This is not to do with the QM, but it is. And let me explain what I mean by that in a second. I said it's nothing to do with the QM in terms of my entry. So I didn't enter because of a QM. But remember what I told you guys, every engulfing candlestick, regardless of whether it got used or not, is always a QM. Okay, so take a look at this. I am risking 1% of my account for 5% profit back. Basically, I'm risking 30 pips for 175 pips. There we go. That's all I took. Right? So let me get this. Waiting for a 5-minute QM setup to rebuy. Go. Possibly could happen, fam. Am I right? So when price comes inside here, right? Remember what I told you? Every engulfing is a QM. I could be talking bullshit. So let me prove this to you guys. See this bullish engulfing here, right? 30-minute. Am I right? Bullish engulfing. That means it should be a QM on a lower time frame, right? Let me show you guys. Let me get rid of this box so it doesn't look messy. Okay. But pay attention here. Do you guys see right here? Do you guys see a bullish QM? If you guys don't, let me show you. Do you guys see a stop hunt? Next, what are you focusing on? You're focusing on this structure to be broken, which doesn't happen. So now what are you focusing on? You're focusing on this structure to be broken if this stop hunt doesn't, if this low doesn't get stop hunted. Bro, shut the hell up. Okay, so I'm focusing on this structure. I'm focusing on this being stop hunted, right? And I'm focusing on this structure being broken. That doesn't happen. Type 2 QM. I'm focusing on my shift of market structure. I'm focusing for a higher low this time. So the whole thing is basically the whole QM contraption, right? It's literally just low, lower low, higher high. Sorry, low, high, lower low, higher high, higher low, entry, boom, shoots up, right? Okay, so all I'm doing, this is a QM. This is your valid QM. Why? You have your sign of strength. So what does that mean? I want to look for the last bearish candle before the bull up. Now this is on the 5-minute. If you take a look on the 15-minute, this is your last down candle before the bull up. Look at this snipe. As got in on this snipe. Even I didn't get in on this snipe. If you were to have sniped it right here, bro, you're off. You are off. That's it. That's just how these things work. I'm muted. No, you muted yourself. So yeah, I muted some other people because their mic was being wonky. So yeah, that was all I did for okay, that's good. Yeah. So that's all I did for, that's all the whole team did really for gold. That's it. That's all I did for gold. And it was beautiful. So this was just 150 pips, done. 150 pips, I'm out for the day. Okay, beautiful, right? Okay, so now let me go over some of the other trades such as UCAD. Everybody wants to know, how could we have gotten, oh, we did, buddy. I have screenshots. Don't worry. We did take that snipe. For anyone who's doubting that we actually took the snipe right here. We took it. I have screenshots of it. Anyway, focusing back on the UCAD trade, bro. That shit was sexy, wasn't it? So, okay, you see these moves. Have you guys ever just wished, right? You guys ever just wished, hold on, let me get this right. So I'm not talking bullshit, right? Have you guys ever wished whether you could have actually gotten in on this snipe right here? Did you guys ever want to get in on that snipe? I'm sure you guys would have wanted to. First of all, the DXY was heavily bearish. Let me show you guys how I know that the DXY was bearish. Okay, I'm taking a look at the daily, right? First of all, I'm not even looking at UCAD, by the way. I'm just looking at the DXY because you have to understand the DXY is the dollar index. It owns pairs, right? So I'm taking a look at the daily. Isn't this the last? So now this is the flip scenario. I was talking about bullish scenarios the entire time. Let's talk about some bearish scenarios this time. Isn't this bullish structure right here? I'm not caring about this. Again, I'm not even talking about liquidity. Okay, if you're, oh my God, equal lows, we took liquidity, we should be hitting up. Fuck you. Look at structure. Okay, this is the last. Okay, this is bullish structure. Does it get disrespected? Heck yes, it does. Taking a look on the H4, you can easily see it gets disrespected. Am I right? Take a look here. Break. Beautiful. So where would I like to take, where would I like to see price trade into? These lows right here. But again, I can't say that price is going to raid this liquidity and then flip up. What does the monthly show you? Think back. Think bearish QM, bearish QM, bearish QM. Stop hunt, BMS, RTO. Last bullish candle before the BMS. RTO. Where am I looking to for DXY to come to? Over here. Again, how did I spot this so easily? Engulfing, my brother. That's it. Engulfing's everything for me, man. I believe you. That's the reason. Okay, man. I'm happy that you're here because you're gonna learn some stuff. Just the whole liquidity thing, man. I'm sure you have a good strategy. I just don't play like that. Okay. So yeah. So I'm bearish on DXY. Why? Because take a look at monthly. Stop hunt. BMS. Am I right? BMS. Okay. Last bullish candle before the BMS. It's beautiful that I'm showing you guys the bearish examples too. Look where price trades into. Look at this. All your stop losses are protected, right? Price comes up, never touches it because these are protected. You sell off right here, bam, bam, bam. Let's see. You have a big account, bro. Imagine that sell off, man. Okay, so we're bearish on the dollar index. So when I go to UCAD, right, and I'm seeing this, remember I told you engulfing is everything for me. What did I see on UCAD, right? First of all, I saw equal lows. Let's start that off first, okay? First of all, I saw equal lows. Second of all, what did I see? A daily bearish engulfing. How beautiful this is. How beautiful this is. Daily bearish engulfing. What am I doing next though? Okay, let's write this thing down. Okay, daily bearish structure. All right, cool. Now let's take a look at what the next step is. Am I right? Pullback? Cool. Am I right by pullback? We're waiting for a pullback. Okay. Pullback into where though? You have all of these last bullish like candlesticks. Pullback into where? Okay. As you can see, you wouldn't have, because if you would have shorted here, where's your stop loss going to be? Up here, bro? That's a whole, I don't know, 50, 60, 100 pips, bro. You don't want that, right? So guess what I do? I get my little fibs, right? And I don't even need to use the fibs, but in case you want to use the fibs, I draw it from the high, right? Because you have to understand all of this didn't play out yet. I'm taking from the high to the low. That's it. High to the low. Why is this area significant? Daily bearish engulfing, brother. And DXY bearish. Look, daily bearish engulfing, DXY bearish. H4, coming back to this. Recent high, recent low, right? Take a look at this. Another confluence that you can add. Isn't this a bearish BMS? Yes, it is. So now what are you waiting for? Pullback, right? And I want to look for 62%, 70%, and 79%, just all inside there. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, now I'm gonna go down to H1. Okay, guess what I see? I see a bunch of bullish candlesticks. But again, why am I not taking shorts from here? Why not here? Why inside here? Because the higher time frame says so. What does the higher time frame say? This is your bearish engulfing on the daily. Okay. Ooh, we got 9 people. Welcome. Okay, bearish engulfing on the daily. Right? So I only am interested for everything inside here. That's all I'm interested for. Beautiful, beautiful. Head down to the H1 because I can't see anything on the H4. You guys peep that. I can't see anything on the H4 besides this top area here. So I'm heading down to the H1. Okay. Now I'm going down to the H1 and the only order blocks that I see on the H1, again, what am I paying attention to? But this is so messy, Avi. What are you looking at? All I'm looking for is structure. What's number 2? The last up candle, because this is a bearish example, the last up candle before that structure gets broken. Am I right? So which is the last up candle before this structure here gets broken? Am I right by saying is this one? So this is simple mitigation play. And again, you may be wondering, oh, but shouldn't you look for a bearish QM here? I got you, bro. I freaking got you. Head down to your M15. I'm going to switch to M5 later. Okay, hopefully TradingView prints M5 here because price is gone. But take a look. I just want you guys to see ugly QMs, like from higher time frames, because M5 is super easy. You get it on M5. But do you guys agree that this is stop hunt? Tell me if you guys agree. Okay, stop hunt, structure that creates your stop hunt. Am I right? Structure that creates your stop hunt. Price came up here, reverse came down, came up here to stop hunt this high. This is the structure, right? Do we get disrespect? We get disrespect. Okay, so let's say you're not confident. Okay, if I just sell from here, sell limit here, where do I put my stop loss, right? No bother, bro. You have your QM here, am I right? Stop hunt, BMS. Do we get BMS? What's the last thing? The last step, RTO. Last bullish candlestick before the BMS. Am I right? Sell right here. See where my mouse is? Sell here. Stop loss above. Calculate your thing, bro. Sell right here, bro. Stop loss above here. 11.5 pips. Oh, but my broker has 3 pips. Okay, cool. Let's go up to 15 pips, bro. 15 pips. You're telling me you're not willing to take 15 pips to get UCAD to go to these equal lows down here. You're risking 15 pips, bro. That's cool. 15 pips is fine, bro. It pays a lot. Okay, please show again bearish engulfing on daily time frame. 100%. I don't agree. Structure should not be swing low. I'll answer this in a second. Show bearish engulfing on daily time frame. Okay. See this, my friend? This big black candle that engulfs this, right? Engulfs this, right? So all I'm looking for is pullback. That's it. And again, I know you're saying, oh, but this is daily structure. There's no break. You're 100% correct, but that's when the DXY comes in. I have 10 minutes left. That's when the DXY comes in, okay? Now, I don't agree. Structure should not be swing low. What do you mean structure should not be swing low? Of course, structure should be swing low. I'm not saying it. I'm just telling you, of course, structure should be swing low. Let me explain why. Because you are looking for, okay, you are looking for bearish setups, bro. Okay, on M15. Let's go M15. You're telling me this should be the swing low that gets broken, right? Okay, if this is the swing low that gets broken, why don't you go down to M5 and look at the QM there? We are all about risk. You're telling me you would rather enter here than enter up here. Let me show you, buddy. Now, there's no way you can argue about this one, right? Politely, I'm saying this respectfully, yeah? Look at this. Isn't this the structure you want to look at? Again, I take my entries on M5. That's why I'm talking like this. I take my entries on M5. So I'm seeing this stop hunt, right, into my H1 bearish OB, am I right? What's the structure that created the H1? Not this. Look, over here, price comes up, reverse, comes down, reverse. But after this, I see boom, shoot up, right? Nice, gotcha. I'm happy you understand, bro. I'm not being rude. I hope I'm not being rude. I'm happy you understand, okay? That's why M15, that's why I'm saying M15 plays with your mind, bro. It makes it look different. Okay, coming back to the point. SH, BMS, what is the last bullish candle before this BMS? Can refine even more. Am I right? Enter here. Am I right? Your stop loss not up here, stop loss above here. So let's calculate the pips before I start a new video. I'm going to start a new video. Let's calculate the pips and the RR. Most importantly to me, not the pips, bro. How much are you making? Return on investment, bro. How much are you making? Okay. So I'm going to get my thing out here just before this, because this would have been a beautiful trade over 200 pips probably. I don't know. Let's find out. Again, to EQL, right? To EQL. No, bro, not being rude. Okay, I'm happy that I could clear up your question, man. And thank you for asking, bro. Thank you for asking. Okay, so we go for a sell. M5, last bearish, M5 RTO. Okay, I'm not going to keep talking about that shit. 15 pip SL, sure. Okay, EQL. I'll show you the EQL on higher time frame later. I know some people are like, where's the EQL? I'll show you guys. Think about this, bro. Think about this. This can happen. I will show you a screenshot of a buddy of mine taking this same trade. I'm not faking this. A buddy took this trade, bro. Look at this. You're risking 1% of your account for 20% profits. And as I told you, I put my stop loss, not freaking 15 pips above, bro. I put my stop loss just above the stop hunt. Am I right? And maybe 2 pips, 3 pips above. Let's put 3 pips above. Look at this. 1 to 20 risk to reward ratio. What's the pips? You are risking 13 pips. Okay, let's say you have 0.10 lot size, okay? You're risking $13 for $275. I think that's a fair trade, bro. Okay, and as I said, people actually took this trade. So what did I look for here? Let's think about it. What did I look for here? Daily bearish engulfing. I should say bearish engulfing because structure was not bearish on daily, right? So I followed the DXY. Daily bearish engulfing, DXY bearish, excuse me. DXY bearish on monthly, am I right? Pullback of what? Because we had bearish on daily here. So of course, some retracement, right? Some retracement. I want to look for that. Sometimes there's no retracement, but I want to look for a retracement. Okay. And where do I look for a retracement to? Come on, buddy. Work. Okay. Pullback to bearish OB. I'm looking at the H4. I see nothing. I see nothing interesting. What do? I don't need to do this, but for you guys, you should bring out your fibs, mark out 62%, 70%, 79%. If you see nothing clear, I don't see anything clear at H4. I go H1. What do I see? Again, where am I paying attention? Okay, this is interesting. Where am I paying attention? 62 to 79. Everything inside there. Price can play even up here. You see this? Price can even play here. But as I told you, bro, a zone is just a zone. Wait for that QM. Price comes inside, plays here. I don't know. Could price play from here? Could price? I don't know. That's why I'll wait from my QM. I gave my QM. I got it on M5. I'm not even going to show you guys that. M5 done. Sell it, bro. So pull back to bearish OB. Happens to be H1. So M5, or just find out. M5 bearish QM inside H1 OB. Done. That's it. And of course, as always, bro, stop loss above your thing. Hey, I have to go in a bit. See you, bro, man. No worries, man. Should I like go over some trades, bro? I'm just gonna go over TE's trade. He took this trade. It was fantastic. I didn't take this, but it was beautiful trade. This was over 60 pips, I think it was, which is decent, When I look at CAD CHF, right, what do I see? I'm going to go very quickly, okay? So if you guys are doubtful, oh, what did he do here? Watch this zoom back, okay? So, okay, over here, I'm taking a look, line chart, daily, right? Again, I'm not even looking at weekly or monthly. This is the crazy thing. I'm looking at daily, but it's important to look at weekly as well, okay? And let's just go quick, okay? Daily. This is structure, but this is clear structure. This is on line chart, okay? I'm seeing this get broken. Let's see how this looks like on candle chart, okay? You see this as structure here, right? Of course, resistance gets broken, right? Again, what breaks it? Beautiful bullish engulfing. What am I looking for? I'm not gonna write, think for yourself. Bullish engulfing, bullish market structure. Why bullish market structure? Not because of bullish engulfing, but because this candle here broke above the recent structure. Really, the recent structure is this. See this wick? Broke above, right? Candle above. Okay, what's my next step? Think, pull back. Pull back to where? Pull back to OB. This is daily, okay? I'm not placing any trade on daily, okay? This is on daily. I go down to my H4. What do I see? Think. I'm going to refine my zone, right? What do I see? Bullish OB or bullish engulfing on H4. Okay, so if we have bullish market structure, we have bullish engulfing on daily, we have bullish H4. Price pulls back. What am I looking for here? Simple. All I'm looking for, either, okay, I'm not happy about H4. I go down H1, M30. I refine my zone, make my zone smaller and smaller. But you have to understand, if the more you refine your zone, the more precise and better RR you're going to get. But sometimes you're going to miss trades. It happens, right? So I'm happy with H4. I go down to H1. I'm happy with H4. Let's just say I'm happy with H4, okay? If you see here, there's H1 bullish engulfing too. If you buy right because of this, you can see price just play up. Okay, you can see price play up. I'm not saying it hit TP. I'm saying price went in your direction. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so let's say we go back H4. I'm happy with H4. Okay, so I make the zone like this. What am I looking for? I go down, look for lower time frame QM. That's it. I'm done. So I have my breakout. This is all it. Breakout on daily, pull back to H4 bullish engulfing, entry. So I'm looking here. Stop run here. Nothing breaks above. This one gets stop run. Nothing breaks above. This one, no stop run. Okay, here, see this low? Stop run of this, right? So I'm focusing on this structure. Does it get broken? It doesn't get broken. See, there's the wick just left behind. Price comes down and then boom, shoots down some more. Look at this. Stop hunt here. I'm focusing here to get broken, right? Now look at this magic here. There's a stop hunt of this low. Okay, we have 2 minutes left. Stop hunt of this low. Structure that created the stop hunt is here. Sign of strength. It's always important. Sign of strength, bro. Last bearish candlestick before sign of strength. Boom. That's it. Last bearish candlestick before sign of strength. You are done. Stop loss below here. How many pips stop loss, my friends? 3.84 pips stop loss, bro. 4 pips stop loss. Where will I target? Me personally, this trade, if I were to take it, I would be targeting the previous daily high, which is here. Oh shit, it actually hit it. So this trade was beautiful, bro. It actually hit the previous daily high. So this was the day I took the trade. Price went up, whatever, boom. Shoots up, takes the previous daily high. See that? Previous daily high, right? So this trade, if you're talking RR, 1 minute left. What is that, bro? Could you get rid of that, bro? Okay, and then we have stop loss 3 pips. Take profit up here, done. 1 to 16 RR, 3.8 pip stop loss, 60 pip take profit. And again, you are making your trade risk-free when 20 pips profit, risk-free. 30 pips profit, 20% of your position, you lock in. 50 pips profit, 50% of your position, you lock in. Rest, you let it run. Okay, guys, that's it. Less than 1 minute. If you guys want me to start a new Zoom, I will do that. If you don't want me to, I'm not going to waste you guys' time, okay? So that's it.